It's opening weekend here at Silverwood. I haven't ridden a roller coaster since September. 7.5 long months. Insert overused metaphor about winter and spring and renewal and stuff here. But finally, the wait is over. I walked into Silverwood with high expectations. Oh, and an experiment or two to try. I do not remember how long it has been since I've ridden this, so we'll see. More than 7 months for sure. Probably more than 7 years. Okay, now we're getting a little bit. Yeah, there's a reason I haven't ridden that in a long time. It looks like chaos, but it rides like a screensaver. Not much thrill, but you did get to see my new toy. Some POV glasses I picked up recently. Still on the hunt for some excitement though. Hello, my lovely little local RMC. Yeah! Woo! Oh yeah! Woo!
Welcome back. That was some expert flying out there.
Well, after a way longer than needed wait because of not one, but 2 people needing lost items retrieved. No loose articles, people. How hard a concept is this? Apparently, very hard. I think it might be time for public shaming. Or something. Anyway, finally got on Stunt Pilot. Row 10. Yeah, baby. There's the adrenaline I have been missing. Love, love, love it. And you gotta look there at the second part of my experiment. G-Force Gary up there in the corner. You can't feel what I'm feeling on a ride, but now you can at least see it. Let me know in the comments what you think. We're on a roll now. On to Aftershock. Sadness. See that arrow? That arrow's pointing to my sadness. Aftershock is closed. My favorite roller coaster here. And to rub it in, they've been cycling empty trains. So I keep hoping, I keep wishing, dreaming, maybe they're gonna open Aftershock. They didn't. They've got a new menu at the High Moon Saloon on Main Street here, and I wanted to try that out. Gourmet hot dogs and corn dogs. I tried the honey something corn dog. Really good sausage, really good batter. One of the best corn dogs I've had ever. So that's going to be a winner, I think, for them. There's the trimmers I enjoyed last year. She's warmed up. She's hauling. She's flying through the woods, except we don't really go through the woods here. Big RMC that goes through the woods. That's what Silverwood needs, I'm just saying.
That's what beginnings are like, full of promise, with some bumps along the way. Aftershock was closed, operators were still finding their rhythm. But you know what? I'll take it. Not everything blooms on the first day of spring. We're back. Silverwood is back. I am a happy grandpa.
Let me know in the comments what you thought of the on-ride recordings, and let me know what you think of GeForce Gary. And we will see you next time, next park, next ride. I don't know where or when.
He does know. He's just being dramatic.
And until then, gravity keeps trying to bring me down, but I'm not falling for it.